What's good, budget fans? It's your boy Sneakerhead on a budget, one of the hardest working sneakerheads on YouTube. Go give me a like, share, subscribe. Definitely helps the channel out because YouTube be holding us down in here, budget fam. Damn! Alright, so boom. So your boy hit 1,000 subscribers. Can't wait to get to 2K. If you like content here, please like the video, share the video, subscribe, and you put notifications on. Today we have a mystery unboxing. So you know what we do here. We get the mystery little open little packs from Soul Steals, and we try to do this one. So this one is the Yeezy mystery pack. If you win, you get a Yeezy Red October. If you lose, you get whatever random Yeezy they give you. I want the Red Octobers. If you know my story, if you heard the podcast, check out the podcast. When the Yeezy Red October dropped, I was getting a bunch of nonsense notifications from Nike, from runners, all this other stuff I didn't want, Roshi runs, all that stuff. And so one day I woke up and I got this notification on Twitter, and I was like, brush it to the side, went back to sleep. I woke up, it was a Red October drop. Nike.
Ain't no fucking way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy.
Yeah, shot dropped it and the world went crazy, and I was super upset that this is the one that I ignored. So I really want this shoe. So if I get this shoe, it'd be dope. Sadly, it'll be a little smaller than what I typically wear. Apparently it's a 10.5, but I don't really care. As long as I have the shoe in my possession, maybe I could trade up, maybe I could sell it. I'd rather not sell it. So let's see what's going on in. So let's go ahead and get into it. Again, shout out to Soul Steals. I always do these dope things, and I love opening in front of you guys. So if you love this content, again, let me know. Let me know in the comments. So here's the box right here. We're gonna go ahead and open this up. As I do, I always try to open it up without looking at it and then let you guys see it first, and then you see my reaction afterwards. So let's see if I can actually open this, because I usually start struggling with these boxes. Okay. Oh my god. They really put this in. Oh my, okay. God. Dude. Alright, so there we go. So the box feels super small, so I don't think this is a Red October yet, but I'm gonna let you guys see. You guys see it before me. The box feels super small, so I do not think it's a Red October, and it doesn't feel like I have a top lid. It doesn't. This feels like a Yeezy, so I'm not too happy about that. So let's see what we got. A 450. Which 450 did we get? Uh-oh. Ugh. Not happy about the 450. I definitely don't like that shoe whatsoever. Hold on. Okay, so we got... Damn! This 450, 11.5, definitely does not look...
Watch this, Lise. You can actually pinpoint the second when his heart rips in half. And now...
like something I would wear. So as you know, I'm probably 0 for something when it comes to these mystery things. I never get the mystery surprise thing. It is what it is when it comes to these drops. Shout out to Soul Steals for putting this out. Don't look at the disappointment in my face. I really want those Red Octobers, and this is not what I typically care for. It's not really my style, so I'll probably just try to sell these and whatnot. But yeah, I'm definitely not a fan of this 450, not at all. Maybe if it was the black one, I'd probably consider it, but definitely not a fan of this. If you do like these content, guys, again, like, share, subscribe. I definitely like rocking with you guys. Follow me on social media, The Real Mike PZ on Twitter, Sneakerhead on a Budget on Instagram. Love chatting with you guys. I'll check out next time. Peace.
Hope you love all of my shit. I hope you love all of my shit.